Hi, I'm Rachel from Jimmy Bean's Wool, and today we're going to take a look at Block 8 of the Cascade Yarns Diagonal Afghan. Alright, so here we have Block 8, and you can see we've got some really neat pictures being drawn using texture in this square, which is really fun. And the nice part about it is that it is all made with knits and purls, so I don't even need to show you guys any actual techniques today. You can just check out the basic techniques video that we've already recorded, which there's a link to that in the upper right corner, because it's just knits and purls. So if you know how to knit, then you can definitely do this square. And you can see here we've got the image of the roof and house here, and the windows and the door. It's actually really cute. And then there's texture in the background all around using purl stitches. So the pattern is actually quite simple. The only thing I would say is just make sure you're keeping really close track of your rows as you go, because when you're drawing a picture like this, it can be kind of hard to see where your next stitch, like what your next stitch is going to be. So you want to keep a close eye on the pattern as you go. But otherwise, it's a very simple knit. It makes this cute little house pattern, and it's a really fun pattern for Block 8. All right, so that was everything you need to know about Block 8. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you in 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing, because we have a lot more yarn reviews, tutorials, and other fiber fun like that. Happy crafting!